Welcome to our booth. So happy to have you here. We are Digital Moments, and today we want to share with you our work on sensing faces. We're going to explore AI first in an unplugged activity when we get to create a face using objects we have around our house or classroom. This is going to get us thinking about artificial intelligence and the way that the computer can guess the position of the star on this globe nose. We're going to give you all the material for you to be able to deliver this and to share with your students. I promise there will be lots of laughs and lots of learning. Let me try and show you the material itself. The material is composed of different steps. We have objectives, but we have also what is the unplugged activity. We're going to explore different activities within Scratch Lab, and then we're going to reflect. We're going to explore, personalize our work, and then at the end, we have the option to learn and share. What is the learn and share? Is that we have the slide deck available for you to use with your students, with your friends, with your colleagues in order to start thinking about this process and create your own faces. Thank you for joining us today in this booth. Please send us a note saying what you think about this content and if you want to talk to us to explore a little bit more. Thank you. Have a great day.